Hello student, today we will start our chapter number 4, Sankhya of standard 6th. Till date, we learn numbers up to 100 or more than 100 in English only, in Gujarati and in Hindi. But today we have to learn number in Sanskrit. In Sanskrit we will learn number till 12 only, because in next chapter we have to learn the clock, and we know that in clock number will come till 12. So here we have to learn number till 12 only. So numbers are written on the board, you can see over here. See, ekam 1, dve 2, trini 3, chatvari 4, पच्च 5, सट 6, सप्त 7, अष्ट 8, नव 9, दश 10, एकादश 11 and द्वादश 12. So here till 12 we have to learn the number. Now we have to practice to speak this number in speed, like this: ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, panch, shat, sapt, ashta, nav, dash, ekadash, dwadash. If you will do practice more and more, easily you can learn this number. In 7th standard we will start number half past, quarter past and quarter to. In 7th standard this number we have to learn till 50, and in 8th standard we have to learn till 100. So whenever you will come in 8th standard, your till 100 your number will be complete. So here the number are there, and I hope you will do practice of this number. Now our next chapter is chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Hasti, Hasti, Hasti. That means elephant, elephant, elephant. Hasti, that means elephant, and Hast, that means hand. This is the different word. So you see for that. See, Hasti, 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 elephant. In this poem, different part of elephant are compared with different things. So we have to learn about that. See, the poem is like this: Hasti, 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 Divya Devi Srishti, कदली शदसी सुंडा, स्तंभ समाना पादा, शूर्पाकारो कर्णो, धवलो दीर्घो दंतो, उदरम भांडाकारम, उन्नत बृहच्छ शरीरम, अल्पम तुच्छम पुच्छम, अहो अहा विचित्रम, पर्वत सदशे गात्रे, शर्षप सन्निभ नेत्रे, कथमति बलवान एषः, अंकुश मात्रात् भीतः. So this poem we have to learn like this. In this poem different body parts of elephant are given, and this whole part is compared with different things. So related to this chapter, some of the meaning I had written on the board. You can see over here. See, Hasti, that means elephant. Divya Devi Srishti, best creation of goddess. We all know that elephant is the best creation of God. Kadali Shadashi, like a banana tree. Shunda, trunk. Stambha Shamanaha, like a pillar. Udaram, stomach. Shurpakaro, like a shape of a winnowing basket. Davalo dirdo danto, 2 white tusks. Bhandakaram, like the shape of a pot. Unnat, high. Bruhat, great or big. Parvat shadashe, like a mountain. Gatre, limb. Sharsapa, mustard. Sannibh, like. Katham means how, and Ankush Matrat only by control. So here are the meaning of this chapter. Now the chapter is like this. हसती 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 दिव्य देवी सृष्टि. Elephant, elephant, elephant. O elephant, unique and divine creation of goddess. कदली सदसी सुंडा, कदली सदसी सुंडा, स्तंभ समाना पादा. Trunk is like banana and legs are like pillars. कदली सदसी सुंडा, स्तंभ समाना पादा. Trunk is like banana and legs are like pillars. शूर्पाकारो कर्णो, धवलो दीर्घो दंतो. शूर्पाकारो कर्णो, कर्णो that means ears. Ears are like winnowing through, shaped, मतलब बास्केट जैसे जो बोलते हैं ना. धवलो दीर्घो दंतो, दंतो एंड इट्स टस्क, जो वाइट कलर के बाहर टस्क दिखाई देते हैं. टस्क, टू टस्क आर वाइट एंड लॉन्ग. धवलो दीर्घो एंड दंतो, टू वाइट टस्क आर लॉन्ग. उदरम भांडाकारम, उन्नत बृहच्छ शरीरम. उदरम भांडाकारम, स्टमक इज लाइक अ पॉट, मतलब इतना बड़ा मटके जैसा उसका पेट है. उदरम भांडाकारम, उन्नत बृहत् शरीरम एंड बॉडी इज हाई एंड यूज. इतना विशाल बॉडी है, बॉडी इज हाई एंड यूज. अल्पम तुच्छम पुच्छम अहो अहा विचित्रम. अल्पम तुच्छम पुच्छम, that means tail is very small. Tail is very small. This much big body and tail is very small. अहो अहा विचित्रम, ओ वाव हाउ यूनिक, कितनी अलग लग रही है. इतने बड़े बॉडी पे छोटी सी पूंछ कितनी अलग लग रही है. पर्वत सदृशे गात्रे सरसब सन्निभ नेत्रे. टू मस्टर्ड सीड लाइक आइस in its mountain like huge body. पर्वत सदृशे गात्रे सरसप सन्निभ नेत्रे. मस्टर्ड सीड्स जैसी छोटी छोटी दो आंखें. टू मस्टर्ड सीड लाइक आइस इन ऑन इट्स माउंटेन लाइक बॉडी. इतना पर्वत जैसा विशाल शरीर और उसके ऊपर छोटी छोटी दो आंखें. कथमती बलवान एषः अंकुश मात्राद भीतः. हाउ स्केर्ड this extremely strong elephant is only with the sharp pointed stick of महावत. महावत मतलब उसे जो चलाता है वो. इतना विशाल शरीर वाला जो एनिमल है सिर्फ एक महावत की छोटी सी पतली स्टिक से डरता है. So here all body parts of elephant is compared with different things. So all of you understand this chapter properly. Now we'll start our next chapter. Our next chapter is chapter number 6, Saptavasharaha, days of the week. In lower standard we learn these days of the week like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday is the last day of the week. Monday is the first day of the week. Yes, same the days we have to learn here in Sanskrit. You can see here on the board. Somavasharah, Monday. Mangalvasharah, Tuesday. Budhvasharah, Wednesday. Guruvasharah, Thursday. Shukravasharah, Friday. Sanivasharah, Saturday. Ravivasharah, Sunday. Adya, today. Shvahah, tomorrow, and Hyah, yesterday. These words are given us because if anyone will ask which day today is, Adyaka Vasharah. So same thing we can speak in Sanskrit. Adyaka Vasharah, which day today is. If anyone will ask which day tomorrow is, so if we want to turn this sentence into Sanskrit, so we can ask Shvaha Kaha Vasharah. And like that, if you want to ask about yesterday, that yesterday which day was there, so Hyah Kaha Vasharah. So that is why these 3 words also are given here. So you can do it properly. So I hope all of. Chapter number 7 is karotu. Karotu, that means do or does. Different action are done by different people. Many girls are there, boys are there, they are doing different action. These action are given in this chapter. Do or does, that means to do or does, means karotu. So here meaning of these chapters are written. You can see khelati is playing, chalati is walking, likhati is writing, pashyati is looking at, pathati is reading, kshipati is throwing, vadati is speaking, gayati is singing, srunoti is listening, udayati is flying, and pibati means is drinking. Now our chapter number 7, it is on page number 24 of textbook. See, Sachinah, Sachin, Esah Sachinah, this is Sachin. Sachinah khelati means Sachin is playing. Next, Vedantah, Vedant, Eshah Vedantah, this is Vedant. Vedantah pathati, pathati means what? So reading, Vedant is reading. Next, Divya, Divya, Esha Divya, this is Divya. Divya likhati, likhati means writing. So here we can form the sentence, Divya is writing. Next, Meera, Esha Meera, this is Meera. Meera Gayati, Gayati means singing. So Meera is singing. Next, Vimanam, aeroplane. Tata Vimanam, that is an aeroplane. Vimanam udayate, an aeroplane is flying. Vivekah, Vivek. Esah Vivekah, this is Vivek. Vivekah pashyati, Vivek is looking at. Kapilah, Kapil. Eshah Kapilah, this is Kapil. Kapilah kshipati, Kapil is throwing. Mayurah, Mayur. Eshah Mayurah, this is Mayur. Mayurah srunoti, Mayur is listening. Nisha, Esha Nisha, this is Nisha. Nisha vadati, Nisha is speaking. So here all of you understand different action are done by different people over here. So I hope all of you understand this whole chapter properly, and you will do practice of this chapter at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.